Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj again. Well, today I have a very exciting product, which is iPhone 13 Pro Sierra blue color, and this model particular is 256 GB. I will be giving you first impression and doing quick unboxing, as well as I will show you how to set it up your new iPhone 13 Pro. So let's start this. Now the packaging is pretty slim now, so there is two tabs which you need to just pull it from right here, and that's it pretty much. This is done. And let's open the box. What you get in the box is your iPhone Sierra blue color. So let's take out the sticker. Pretty smooth. And here's your iPhone. So I'm gonna just start it in case, and meantime we can just check it out what we got in the box. Well, usually we get one sticker now, a SIM injection tool is right here, Apple sticker is right here, and some paperwork and a charging cable. I'm glad that Apple is still including charging cable. This is 3 feet USB Type-C 2 lightning cable. Nothing else. Here I have this iPhone Pro Max from the last year. You can see it's pretty big. You know, the only reason I purchased this iPhone Pro Max is because of the camera. They gave the best camera in the biggest phone, even though I do not like the biggest phone. I always like one-handed phone. As you can see, we can start the setup now. It's pretty easy. Once you slide up your new phone, this message pops up on your old phone. So set up a new phone. If you hit continue and you hit English here, then this is what it's doing. So hold your new phone up to the camera. Okay, so this is some sort of magic barcode, and as you can see, it's already finishing up. Enter your passcode. I will enter my passcode real quick. Here you go, and it's doing its job. Pretty. Oops. It may take a few minutes to activate. Now, since it's doing this, let's talk about the design and what is the difference. So as you can see, they're pretty much saying, you know, this is a Pro Max model. So, but if you compare the camera, it's a little bit different. And believe it or not, this camera is the biggest upgrade on paper in Apple's lineup when it goes from one generation to another generation. Usually this much difference you will see in 3 to 4 years sometimes. So let's check out the size. It seems like it's a little bit bigger to me. How big it is. So if you see that, this is 34.7 millimeter. This one right here is 37.1, so a couple of millimeter bigger. Now if we check the rings of the camera itself, 15.7, 14. Guys, this is pretty big actually. I'm really liking it. Now if we see how thick it is, so this one is 1.9 millimeter, and this one is 1.5 millimeter. So this new camera module is definitely more thick, more wide, more long. It's everything. In the camera itself are bigger, the lenses itself are bigger. So this year, no matter which device you go with, either you go with Pro Max or Pro, you get the same exact camera, no difference there. And I really like that Apple doing this, because I'm one of those who like to have small phones but want to have a best camera. And last year they did not do that. They just offered the best camera in the biggest size phone, which I was not liking it in the beginning, but I ended up buying it, and later on I was regretting it. Why did I buy it? Because I could not use it properly. Many times I was just leaving it at home, not using it as I wanted to use it. But this year I can use it more often. This is my first impression on iPhone 13 Pro. This device is looking pretty good, very promising. The camera is really big and I'm very excited to test it out, and I will share with you guys as soon as I test it out. Very soon I'm gonna put the new videos about the camera, the battery life and everything else. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I will catch you with my next video. Thank you.